I am making my pepperoni pizza pastries. This is a homemade version of the pizza pockets that I would eat almost every day after school, which have a melty, cheesy filling and salty pepperoni encased in a buttery, flaky blanket. To get started, I'm gonna make my cheese filling. I've got 3 kinds of cheeses here for different flavors and textures. I'll start with some mozzarella. This will get really melty. A couple of tablespoons of grated Parmesan for saltiness. And some ricotta cheese will bring it all together. I'll add 6 ounces of this. An egg will keep everything together and prevent the cheese filling from leaking out as these bake. And a couple tablespoons of flour will help to bind it. I'm gonna add a green bell pepper. I'll give this a little pizzazz with some dried oregano, and you gotta have crushed red pepper on pizza. I'll season with salt and pepper and mix together. My filling is combined. I'm ready for my puff pastry. I've got a sheet pan, a rolling pin, and my puff pastry, which I've thawed in the refrigerator. I'm gonna dust my counter with a little flour so that it doesn't stick. So I'm gonna roll the sheet out to a big rectangle that is 10 by 15 inches. That'll be the perfect size to give me 6 evenly sized squares. So I'm just gently and evenly working it with my rolling pin. My puff pastry is rolled out to the size that I want it. I'm gonna cut it into squares now. And to do that, I'm gonna use my accordion pastry cutter, which will allow me to get perfectly even cuts, but you could also use a knife. I'm gonna roll 2 rolls of squares. So geometrically satisfying. I'll transfer my squares to my baking sheet, which is lined with parchment paper so that they don't stick. And I'm placing them pretty closely together right now, but once I fold them up, they'll have enough room on all sides to bake evenly. I'm ready to assemble. I've got to grab my red sauce and my pepperoni. You can't make pizza without sauce, and you can't make pizza for Nick without pepperoni. To assemble, I'm gonna add a dollop of cheese filling, kind of towards one corner because I'm gonna be folding this on a diagonal. And then I'm gonna create a well in the cheese filling that's gonna hold the sauce and prevent it from leaking out. And these are little pizza pockets, so I've got my tiny baby pepperonis. I'll sprinkle these all over. And I'll seal it up with egg wash. And this is just an egg beaten with a splash of water, and it's gonna help seal these together. I'll fold this right over the toppings and press the edges together. And to really lock the fillings in, I'm gonna crimp the edges with a fork. And I'll finish with some egg wash to make them shiny. How cute! I'll keep on filling these, and then I'm gonna chill them before baking to help them hold their shape. They are gonna be tremendous triangles of pizza perfection. These will bake at 375 for 30 minutes. They are gonna be so good with so many folds of flakiness. It smells like buttery pizza in here, so I'm gonna check on my pizza pastries. These have puffed up perfectly. I can see all the flakes, and I'm smelling the pepperoni coming from within.